Hi, I'm Jacqueline and I'm here today from You Flowers, and we're going to show you how to style our beautiful, sweetly stunning bouquet when it gets delivered to your home. So basically it'll come in a box just like this. You'll open up the box. You will find a zip tie holding your bouquet and you will cut. And here are your fresh blooms. So basically we will cut the wrapping of the paper off. And here you have your bouquet. So basically what you want to do is cut your stems. We know we always want to cut with a slant at all times because you want to keep your stems hydrated. Here we go. Cut your stems. You'll take your bouquet, fluff out your flowers. You can move them around. Take one stem, the other side. It's all about creating balance and harmony. So here we are. We have this beautiful lily that's not open. Sometimes you'll get that. You want to watch it over time. So make sure you tuck her in somewhere where you see her beautiful flower head open. So here we are with this lovely hydrangea. You know, she's always full of life. And you want to make sure you turn your style bouquet around clockwise so you can get every angle. And this is how you'll style this sweetly stunning bouquet.